vatela kade ubovatela uvatela ulindiwe mazimo udumidiye wayishizikhewu wadina ngokuvatela isandla somlungu helenzili wadumidiye wayishizikhewu sule dumena byadume soweto otatazela amakomrades namaqabane bafana ikhiye zendlu katshwala zisenkandla kodwa kudunusi bethane wabambe ngophende waphunyuka uphunyuka bemphethele njengamagwebe ensipho udlulele mvalele njengamanzi state capture ndaba zidida amajaji ziyazamdida uzondo ndaba zomthetho zidida abaninizo ziyazamdida ubhekicele zamdida uRonald Lamula bathe kamsholozi balalise enkandla bavukise emtshezi balalise emtshezi bavukise enkandla otatazela amakomrades namaqabane sitha zikamsholozi sithe zimbheke emsamo wayengena emnyango wancamalala kwaduma ihlombe kwaduma izandla inhliziyo zabamthandayo zasho ngengoma zathi wophalapha awuphendule wenolawula impopha awusitshela ukuthi uzuma
Phakathi simvuse umuntu omnyama silivuse usizi lomuntu omnyama ukuthi liphele manje liphele nya finish. So by the way igama uJohn Sabza ngihamba nenkabi yami la uCaptain Masi abaculi bengoma esibuya emsholozi ethi umsholozi sebuyile emandleni.
Le ngoma lena echibuya umsholozi sebuyile emandleni ingoma eniyicompose mina njengabaculi la ikhombozela iMK.
Yes ithe mangabe sizwa ngeindaba ukuthi ayinayi iMK inyakaza sathi hayi samaciko sikhona kwasho nokuthi uNkulunkulu uyawehlisa umoya wasezulwini umoya weingoma azehlela ama lyrics yonke into yazehlela yahamba njengomoya wasezulwini saba nenhlanhla ukuthi uNkulunkulu asipha ama lyrics amnandi kangaka azothandwa abantu in a space of 2 weeks ibisi lapha around more than 3 million views on TikTok nakona wonke ama social media platforms eyaphusha kakhulu ku YouTube njengoba sesiqeda inyanga silele ku 101,000 views ku YouTube so abantu bayathanda abantu bayathokozela wena ongakayazi ngithi hamba uyotapa ingoma ku YouTube Captain usini
Ngicela singafeli ngaphakathi ngoba izinhlobo nemidludlu zophela ngaphakathi kugcine sekuthukuthela nomphakathi. Ngiphathisiwe ukuthi ngimele umphakathi kodwa mina sengiphakeme ngipheleza umphakathi kuhle kwezimpukane ezingena ngaphakathi. Sebengidonsela ophathe bathi angene ngaphakathi abafuni ngikhulume nomphakathi bathi kumele ngifele ngaphakathi kuhle kwezinkamba zikaFaro ezijikela esiswini ngaphakathi. Bathi angichitha iziphakamiso zomphakathi ngikhulume nonembeza ngaphakathi.
People of South Africa, allow us to deliver as the religious leaders to say the time is now and now is the time. There is no way yokuthi kungadwala nina lana kanti bona bahleli kahle labahleli khona badlizambane likaPonto. There is no way yokuthi bona bangahamba labahamba khona bakhulume ubaba unqabalala kabi. As religious leaders, as traditional leaders, we want to tell them that they stop it today ayikusasa. Bahlangene labahlangene khona they think they will make a difference but it's too late. Ngifuna ukuthi kini asambeni ngobuningi bethu sambeni sikwazi ukuyishintsha lento. And I'm going to deliver a message very clear to the leadership of umkhonto wesizwe nationally. If our elections are 2024, our Nigasi umkhonto wesizwe is 2/3 majority. As ANC in power, we are going to close South Africa for good. We need to close South Africa. We reject the outcomes of the IEC if it doesn't give umkhonto wesizwe. We want to say kunalabafundisi ngibabone eLimpopo bekhuluma into abangayaziyo. Angifuni ukuthi badakiwe kodwa ngiyacabanga ukuthi badakiwe. Kunalabafundisi ngibabonile bakhuluma nje into abangayizwa ngoba bayazi ipolitiki, banikezwe imali, bafumbathiswa imali to turn against the religious leaders of South Africa. Bazokhomba umzonotshwana. I want to say, all of you in KZN, let us wait and prepare for Moses Mabhida Stadium. Let us prepare to make sure Ubaba Unamalala, he gets a 2/3 majority. If I holy, we will close the South Africa from Cape to Cairo. We need to come out in numbers and vote. We are going to bring it to an end. And we want to say, we IEC, you better do it the right way or else we are coming for you. Our message of support is Funuguti Bina, MK Bina. Be strong, MK, be strong. Long live the spirit of umkhonto wesizwe, long live.